Here's something nobody is saying out loud. The people over 40 who are learning AI right now are quietly outperforming people half their age. And there's a specific reason why. I'm going to tell you exactly what it is, because if you've been telling yourself you're too old for this, you need to hear this today. There's a story that runs on a loop in our culture. Technology is for young people. If you didn't grow up with it, you missed your window. The 25-year-olds will always be ahead of you. That story is wrong, and I can prove it with something simple. The most valuable thing in any business is not technical skill. It's judgment, experience, the ability to understand what a customer actually needs, earn their trust, and deliver results consistently. Guess who has more of that than a 25-year-old fresh out of school? You do. Here's what happens when someone with 20 or 30 years of life experience picks up an AI tool. They already understand business, they already understand people, they already know what problems cost money to solve. They know how to talk to a client, manage expectations, and build relationships. The 25-year-old has to learn all of that from scratch, while also learning the technology. You just have to learn the technology. And the technology is the easy part. Quick pause. If this is landing for you and you want to know the specific first steps, my free quick start guide at automatedincomelab.com has all of it. Plain English, no jargon, no assumptions about your background. Grab it free at the link below and come back. Let me be specific about what the learning curve actually looks like, because most people imagine it's much steeper than it is. Learning to use make.com to build your first automation, about 2 hours of practice. Learning to write good prompts in ChatGPT, about an hour of experimentation. Building your first complete workflow, one weekend afternoon. That's it. That's the technical learning curve. Everything after that is just practice and refinement, which gets easier, not harder, as you go. Let me tell you about 3 real people winning with AI right now. First is a 54-year-old former HR manager. She used her 25 years of experience to build an AI-powered onboarding system. She charges $1,200 a month per client. She has 4 clients. Second is a 61-year-old retired accountant. He uses his background to offer AI-powered bookkeeping automation. His clients trust him instantly. He made $28,000 last year from part-time work. Third is a 47-year-old stay-at-home mom. She spent 15 years managing a household, which is project management at a graduate level. She built an AI content service for real estate agents. She made $3,600 last month. None of them had a technical background. All of them had something more valuable: expertise in a real field. Stop thinking about learning AI as going back to school. Start thinking about it as adding a power tool to skills you already have. You already know something valuable. AI doesn't replace that knowledge, it amplifies it. You're not starting from zero. You're starting from a foundation that most 25-year-olds won't have for another decade. The free Quick Start Guide at automatedincomelab.com was built for exactly the person in this video. Someone with real-world experience and real-world smarts. It shows you the specific first steps without all the jargon. That's what the guide does. It's free. Go get it at automatedincomelab.com. I'll see you in the next one.